Welcome to the Jones Family Foundation applicant tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for the letter of inquiry. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you'll need to register. You can register by following the links from the Jones Family Foundation website or by going directly to our website at www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green Applicant button. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant application site to receive and manage grants, so find the Jones Family Foundation and click on Select Program next to their name. Right now they only have one program or application listed, and that's the letter of inquiry, so go ahead and click on Start Draft App next to that name. We're now in the draft application of the letter of inquiry. On the left-hand side are tabs. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit the letter of inquiry. We're currently on the Introduction and Guidelines page, so you'll want to scroll down and read everything. When you're ready, you can move to the next page by clicking the arrows to the right. You can use the arrows to move forward or backwards, or you can jump ahead by clicking the tabs on the left-hand side. We're now on the Contact Information page. Any field with a red asterisk means it is required. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. You cannot submit this application without filling out all the required fields. So let's go ahead and move to the Grant Request page. This page has some text boxes. So for example, the brief description of request is 1,000 characters. As you type, the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. Some browsers allow you to click the bottom right-hand corner and extend the box to make it bigger. You can cut and paste your answers from other programs such as Microsoft Word into these boxes. It doesn't matter what page you're on. When you've filled out all the required fields, a Submit Application button here will turn green and you can submit it. But we also have a Preview Check Application page. If you click on this page, it lets you know if you're ready to submit your application. I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly I did not fill out all the required fields. So for example, on the Contact Information page, my organization name field is empty. I need to click on the link here or here to go back to the page and correct it. Once everything is corrected, the Submit Application button again will turn green. I can click on it, submit my application. I will receive an application number on the screen. I will receive an email confirmation letting me know my application was successfully submitted, and I can find a copy of my application under my Grants tab off of the dashboard. You don't have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. If you click pause, you will pause out of your application. You can log out in the upper right-hand corner. When you log back in, you'll see you have a Resume Draft Application and an Exit Draft Application link on your dashboard. If you click Exit Draft Application, you don't lose any work that you've entered. You've just removed that you're working on the draft. If you did that by accident, just click on Start Draft Application, select the Jones Family Foundation, and go back into the letter of inquiry. But I have a Resume Draft Application link on my dashboard, and again, if I click on that, I will go right back into where I left off. I don't have any submitted applications yet, but once I do, up at the top, there will be a tab called Grants, and that's where I can find a copy of my application. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.